totally didn't. That is not what to do.
You cannot take her out of her box.
I know.
When did I take this picture? It was 7th grade at this.
She came so early. There she is, Mini Mag. Can't see her? Uh-huh. See if my glasses came in this too.
See, look how
They better have. Here they are.
Why? I like my eye.
And then look, Mom, comes with the Mini Mag too. I already have this one, but it'll be to my collection. See, I love this. Okay, Chloe, you can push.